Imagine a dessert so delectable, so irresistible that it's driving the entire world crazy. And guess what? You don't even need an oven. Yes, you heard it right. A single egg is all you stand between you and this culinary marvel. Welcome to the world of the famous no-bake egg dessert. The journey to creating this delight begins with separating the egg. The yolk and the white each have their own role to play in this symphony of flavors. The yolk gets beaten with sugar until it transforms into a light, creamy mixture. The white, on the other hand, is whisked to stiff peaks, the kind that stand tall and proud. Next, the orchestra of ingredients comes together. The creamy yolk mixture unites with a blend of softened butter and crumbled cookies. These are the building blocks of our dessert. Meanwhile, the egg white, now a fluffy cloud, is gently folded into the mixture, introducing a lightness that makes this dessert truly unique. Chocolate, the heart of any dessert, enters the scene next. Melted and cooled, it is mixed into our egg and cookie base, creating a rich chocolatey delight that is bound to make your heart skip a beat. Finally, the dessert is poured into a mold of your choice, and the hardest part arrives: waiting. Yes, it must rest in the refrigerator for a good 6 hours. Patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to desserts. So, there you have it, the famous no-bake egg dessert. A dessert that requires no oven, just one egg, and an orchestra of simple ingredients. A dessert that is taking the world by storm, one spoonful at a time. To recap, we've separated and beaten an egg, combined it with sugar, butter, and crumbled cookies, introduced melted chocolate, and let it all set in the refrigerator. A symphony of flavors, a harmony of textures, and an experience that can only be described as heavenly. Remember, good things come to those who wait. So, if you can resist the temptation and allow it to set properly, you're in for a treat. The world is going crazy for this dessert, and once you try it, you'll understand why. So why not give it a try? Unleash your inner foodie and let the no-bake egg dessert work its magic. Who knows, it might just become your new favorite. It's time to create a storm in your kitchen with this world-renowned dessert. Enjoy!